On a quiet summer day in July 2024, a traffic stop in Franklin County, Kentucky, turned into a viral moment, and eventually a federal lawsuit. A mother was arrested in her own driveway while filming a police officer, and the entire event was captured on Bodycam. But what really happened, and what are your rights in a situation like this? Let's break it down from the beginning. On July 31st, Kentucky State Trooper Myron Jackson initiated a traffic stop. He claimed that the driver, Christina Calvert, was operating her vehicle with expired license plates. Christina was traveling with her daughter in the car. When Trooper Jackson pulled her over, she turned into the private driveway of her daughter, Kristen Johnson, where things would soon escalate. From inside her home, Kristen Johnson noticed the traffic stop happening just outside. Concerned and curious, she stepped onto her own porch and began recording with her phone.
Go inside of the house, or I will take you from your kids and take you to jail.
It's worth noting, in the United States, filming police officers in public spaces or from private property is generally protected by the First Amendment, as long as it doesn't interfere with law enforcement duties. But Trooper Jackson didn't see it that way. He ordered Kristen to go back inside her house, multiple times. "Go back inside for me. You can go to jail." Kristen briefly complied and stepped back inside, but soon after she came back out, still recording, believing she was within her legal rights. Moments later, Trooper Jackson approached Kristen and arrested her on the spot, charging her with obstructing governmental operations and resisting arrest. The body cam footage shows Kristen calmly protesting, saying, "I'm on my property, I didn't interfere." Despite this, she was handcuffed in front of her 3 young children and taken to jail. The arrest drew widespread criticism. Civil rights advocates argued that Kristen was simply exercising her constitutional right to record a public official from her own home. In April 2025, a judge dismissed all charges, ruling there was no probable cause for the arrest. Kristen had not interfered with the traffic stop. She had only recorded it. But the story didn't end there. Kristen Johnson filed 2 lawsuits, a federal civil rights lawsuit against the trooper and the Kentucky State Police, citing First Amendment violations, false arrest, and battery. A state-level lawsuit claiming that the Kentucky State Police violated the Open Records Act by withholding information about Trooper Jackson's training and conduct. This case is now at the center of a broader conversation about citizen rights, police accountability, and the freedom to record law enforcement. Across the U.S., cases like this are shaping how courts view interactions between citizens and police and defining the boundaries of constitutional protection.
Right. You will be arrested.
It is my right.
You will not interfere with my traffic stop. Go inside of the house, or I will take you from your kids and take you to jail. Go inside of the house.
For what? For coming outside of my house?
What's the key takeaway? Yes, you have the right to film the police, especially on your own property. But as this case shows, knowing your rights doesn't always protect you in the moment. That's why cases like Kristen Johnson's are so important. Subscribe for more real case breakdowns.